Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. On this Med Day Thursday, we were fortunate enough to be joined by Dr. Tim Stebbins, not only in charge of our health concerns for Crawford County, Kansas, but he's also the head of the emergency room department at Via Christi Hospital, Ascension Via Christi in Pittsburgh. Doc, thank you for coming back and joining us for round two here. Earlier, you and I were talking about what's called vaccine hesitation, and you were specifically targeting an age group from 18 to 45. Now, that age group probably able to withstand the effects of COVID-19 maybe the best. But it's not, it's not the fact that you may contract it, it's those around you that you come into contact with.
Right. Honestly, this isn't about them on that. This is about who they're going to contact. And really what I want you to think about in that age group is, yes, you're protecting yourself. That's important.
Sure.
But as important or more importantly, you're protecting those loved ones, family, friends, coworkers, employers that you're around that may not have great immunity, and especially the older people. And so since it is such a mobile group, since it is a group that travels a lot and visits, quite frankly, family a lot, especially around holidays, they need to get vaccinated. That helps us prevent the spread. As we try to develop a herd immunity in our community, we've got to get the most mobile group vaccinated. That helps us stop COVID-19 in its tracks.
One last question before we get out of here, Dr. Stebbins. The most common question that people approach you with when it comes to vaccine hesitancy, what is it and how do you answer it?
So it's two, and I'll make it quick. One is, how long does it last? I will tell you, 3 months ago, after 3 months of data, they said it lasted 3 months. And I said then, as we get to 6 months and 9 months, they'll increase it. Yesterday, they came out and said, we have 6 months of data and it works for 6 months. And I anticipate that we'll go to 9 months in a year. So it's effective in the long term. The second thing is the people are concerned about the long-term effects of vaccination. And these types of vaccines have been around actually for quite some time. And we've got a lot of data to show that they are safe and effective. Now, this is all risk benefit. I ask you, what's the long-term effects of your cell phone? And people don't know, but they don't care because they like to use it.
Right.
And it's beneficial. So I ask you to look at the vaccine in the same way. There is significant benefit for you, your family, your community by getting vaccinated and helping us stop COVID-19 now. And so it's safe, it's effective, it will help you, it will help your family. Please get that done.
And as Dr. Stebbins told us earlier, multiple vaccines, and while he's the Chief Health Officer for Crawford County, Kansas, we know that there are plenty of vaccines available as well in Missouri, Oklahoma, and Arkansas. Doctor, I want to thank you so much for joining us this morning. I know you're a very busy man, and thank you for taking care of the 4 states.
We appreciate it. Thank you for getting this message out.
All right, we'll be back with more KOAM Morning News right after this.